Breaking news coming in, the Election Commission's deadline to arrest Trinamool goons has expired. Remember, the Election Commission had demanded the immediate arrest of all those named in 2 FIRs filed after the Malda attack. The Bengal police had made 2 arrests but failed to nab 2 others named in the FIR over the Malda attack. The Election Commission is yet to rule on partial compliance of its orders by the Bengal Director General of Police. The poll panel and its deadline for the arrest of the Trinamool goons has expired and they haven't been arrested yet. The Election Commission, remember, had demanded the immediate arrest of all those named in 2 FIRs. All the Trinamool workers named in the 2 FIRs filed after the infamous Malda attack. Earlier this week, the Bengal police had made 2 arrests but failed to nab 2 others named in the FIR over the Malda attack. A total of 4 Trinamool workers were named in the Malda attack for attacks on Election Commission officials. The Election Commission is yet to rule on the partial compliance of its orders by the Bengal Director General of Police. Indrajit Kundu is with us live for more on this. Indrajit, take us through the details.
Well, that's right, Shiv. 3 people were already arrested. Then the Election Commission clearly gave an order to the West Bengal state government stating that the DGP must comply with its orders. All the remaining 4 accused whose names were there on the FIR, they were not arrested. Rather, 3 other people whose names were not on the FIR, they were arrested. So all these people whose names were there on the FIR, they was ordered to be arrested. What we are learning at this point is that the district police have arrested 2 out of them. 2 remaining people whose names were there are still absconding at this point in time. 5 p.m. was the deadline for compliance to this order, and a compliance report was also to be submitted with the Election Commission. The Election Commission is holding a PC right now in Kolkata. What we know, I did speak to the senior Election Commission officials in Delhi who said that they will also brief. But as of now, the compliance report has not been submitted and only 2 people out of the 4 who were named in the FIR have been arrested.
Thanks, Indrajit, for getting us that update.